Hello viewers and welcome back again. It's a nice and bright day, and today I'm still your co-instructor Dr. Do. I'm going to show you a quickest way to identify a new radio station around the world, anywhere, anytime. So all I need you to do is to just use a search engine, that Bing or any Google or any other search engine you're familiar with. Then just type in radio.green or .garden. Perfect. Just like this, and you should be brought to this auto web page. Okay, so you need to just click on this, and I have my page already open. I can open here to explore more because it's taking quite a bit. Okay, it's here, and lo and behold, I found a radio station in a location called Atakpame, called Radio Melville. Okay, Atakpame. Oh, Atakpame or Atakpame. Yeah, Atakpame in Togo. Called Radio Melville. So when I just click on play, let's see what happens. Oh, woo, my nigga. So my nigga. So my nigga. My nigga. Yo, my nigga. Ow. No, this radio station is so perfect, nigga. Atakpame Togo. Woo. So you could see here, you can just go here too, and let's see what happened. This too is Kara. Okay, in Togo. Université de Kara. So nice, you can view all stations. Let's see. Oh, there is some stations here, like City in Ghana, Accra, Classic from Lagos. So perfect. Okay, let's go here. Let me see what is happening in City. Perfect. Live from Ghana. Okay, perfect. Let's hear. This is in Benin. Called what? ORTB Radio Parakou in Benin. So if you can hear. Okay, let's go here. This is in Nigeria, Royal FM 95.1. You can just increase it, and that is, I think, so that is how you identify any new radio station. Okay, so take care and stay safe. Good.